Welcome! If you've ever found yourself frustrated by Discord's new update that opens threads in split view on your PC, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to prevent threads from popping up in split view so you can get back to chatting the way you prefer. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go. Down at the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll see your profile picture. Right next to it, there's a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you straight into your user settings. Once you're inside the settings menu, look for the section labeled Chat. It might take a quick scroll, but you'll find it in the sidebar on the left. Click on Chat to open up all the chat-related preferences. Now, here's where the magic happens. Under the Threads section, you'll see an option called Open Threads in Split View. By default, this setting is turned on, which is why threads keep opening in a separate split view every time you click on one. To stop this from happening, simply toggle off the Open Threads in Split View option. That's it! With this setting disabled, threads will now open in the main chat window instead of splitting your screen. No more distractions, no more clutter, just a cleaner, more focused Discord experience. Let's do a quick recap. Open the Discord app, click the gear icon at the bottom left, enter the chat settings, and under Threads, turn off Open Threads in Split View. Simple, quick, and effective. If this tip helped you out, don't forget to share it with your friends who might be dealing with the same issue. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your streamlined Discord chats.